Hello, right, another Maker Advent video, and today something a little bit different. It's not arcade parts, it's not a multimeter, it is a soldering kit. I love soldering. These USB soldering irons, about £5, brilliant. Plug them into USB battery pack and you can solder anywhere. Nice fine tip, great fun. I must own about 4 or 5 soldering irons at least. They're all over the place. Anyway, this kit, simple heart. Really nice, powered by an LM chip. Yep. LM358P, I think it is. Some red LEDs, and it does like a slow pulsing effect. So I'll be using this to keep practicing my my soldering skills. And you know what it cost? 60p. That's it. A DIY kit, heart-shaped breathing lamp kit, 4 to 6 volts. 60p to practice soldering. Bargain. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheers.